Sean P. Diddy Combs was arrested yesterday night, Monday, September 16th, at a Midtown hotel in New York City. A law enforcement source tells TMZ the arrest was scheduled for Tuesday, but something must have happened that caused the feds to move in a day earlier. Of course, we're familiar with the alleged involvement he has had with murders of Tupac and Biggie in the 90s, but for now he is arrested on sex trafficking charges allegedly. Here is what the district attorney had to say following P. Diddy's arrest.
Charging Sean Combs with racketeering conspiracy, sex trafficking, interstate transportation for prostitution. The indictment alleges that between at least 2008 and the present, Combs abused, threatened, and coerced victims to fulfill his sexual desires, protect his reputation, and conceal his conduct. As alleged in the indictment, to carry out this conduct, Sean Combs led and participated in a racketeering conspiracy that used the business empire he controlled to carry out criminal activity, including sex trafficking, forced labor, kidnapping, arson, bribery, and the obstruction of justice. Let me say a little bit more about the charges. The indictment alleges that Combs abused and exploited women and other people for years, and in a variety of ways. As alleged, Combs used force, threats of force, and coercion to cause victims to engage in extended sexual performances with male commercial sex workers, some of whom he transported or caused to be transported over state lines. Combs allegedly planned and controlled the sex performances, which he called freak-offs, and he often electronically recorded them. The freak-offs sometimes lasted days at a time, involved multiple commercial sex workers, and often involved a variety of narcotics, such as ketamine, ecstasy, and GHB, which Combs distributed to the victims to keep them obedient and compliant. As alleged, when Combs didn't get his way, he was violent, and he subjected victims to physical, emotional, and verbal abuse so that they would participate in the freak-offs.
This is Diddy right before his arrest, obviously walking around New York City with no worries on his mind, no cares about all the victims he's hurt and abused over the years. We think it's absolutely disgusting, and justice was served.